Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I spent the whole day redecorating my room and just transforming it. I was gonna kind of vlog the process, but the footage was terrible, so I just decided to redo my room, save it from the boring parts, and show you what I came up with. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and if not, please enjoy this video. I am so excited to show you because I've worked on it very hard, so please enjoy. Let's just get into it. Okay, welcome in. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna start on this really long wall that you see when you walk in. So I got this mirror from Home Goods for $29.99, which I feel like it's a pretty good deal because it's a really good mirror. And I wanted to put a shelf underneath it, so like if I wanted to kind of like sit and do my makeup here, I had some place to put it. So this shelf is from Hobby Lobby. This little plant, I thought it was so cute, is from Hobby Lobby. This little box, I don't have anything in it, but it is from Hobby Lobby. And this is from Target. And then down below, I just have a little bench that I use as a charging station or to hold my purse or my backpack. I kind of sit there to put my shoes on and stuff. And then right here, I just have this print that I got from Home Goods. And then I just have a plant that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. And then my TV and got a scratch in my throat. And my dresser. Okay, moving around the room, I have a small collage here that I got from the big collage that I'm going to show you. I purchased it from Etsy and it was a super good deal, so I just did a small little segment there because I felt like this wall was super bare and I thought it added a cute little touch. I just hung it up with sticky tack, I think that's what it's called. And then here I have my bed. My duvet is from Target and all of the other pillows are from Target. The blue one is Opal House and the pink ones are Threshold. And then literally my favorite part is this collage. So I'm gonna link the Etsy store down below because it is literally so cute. It is a glossy finish and it feels like almost like magazine paper. It's super good quality. And then I got my neon light from Target as well for a really good price about a couple months ago. So yeah, I think it's so cute. I feel like it kind of elongates my headboard and makes it look bigger than it really is. So yeah, there's my bed. I forgot to say where this bench is from. It is from Home Goods as well. Rosie's tore it up, so that's why I like flipped it. And then we're gonna move to my bedside table. That trash can is, I like it because it's closed first of all, so Rosie can't get into it. So if you have a dog, get a trash can with a lid on it. That is from Opal House, and then like all of the furniture is from my apartment complex. So then I have this little tray, and you know, I'll keep my jewelry on here and stuff like that before I go to bed. But the tray is from Home Goods, and then I got this from Hobby Lobby. It is so cute. I think it pairs well with this big vase. And then I got this candle from Home Goods. It is literally a dupe for the volcano candle here. Oh man, I won't focus. Okay, well, that's what it looks like. And then right here I have this vase, and this vase is from IKEA. And then I just got these bunny tails. They're like making me sneeze or something. Anyways, I got them from Hobby Lobby. And then that lamp is just a simple white lamp from Target. And then moving up, I have this macrame, and I got it for super cheap from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago? A year ago? But I think it looks so good with the pink. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all have any questions about any links or anything, just please let me know. I can't link everything down below, but if you comment down below asking for something, I can definitely find you a link or something similar. So yeah. so much for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and as always, you know, if you need anything, just comment down below, like and subscribe. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I love like interior design, and I recently decorated our living room too, so give this video a big thumbs up if you want to do like a kitchen and living room tour. But if not, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Oh, subscribe. Love y'all.